Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Tempolabs. In order to do so, here we are at tempo.new, and Tempo is where designers and developers can collaborate on code. You can build React apps 10 times faster with AI. So here you can enter in some of the details. But let's go ahead and click up here where it says Get Started. And we're going to go ahead and log in with Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button, we are all logged in and ready to go. We do need to accept some terms of services. So we're going to go ahead and generate an app. What do we want to build? Well, let's just think about this thing here real quick. Let's try daily workout recommendations. Without and let's just go ahead and stick with that. Daily workout recommendations. Something simple here. And we're going to go ahead and go next. And here we go. So we're loading the project up. And here we have some basic details that have already been generated for us. We can see that we are working here. Tempo's working for us. Creating wireframe spec, creating wireframes based on PRD and mermaid diagram. And we have 5 prompts left with the free version. So every day you have five prompts with the free version. We're now down to 4. You can see that it's generating all of our details here. We'll just take a look here. So we've got DOM tree, assets, file selector, get settings, history, design system, app store, connect Supabase, Figma extension, local editing, info, and our settings. So I don't want to click any of those just on the chance that it might interrupt what we're doing here. Here we have our design option, PRD, our code. And when we're done, we can hit share on that. We can select an element to edit styles. So this is already starting to put this together here for us. Down here at the bottom, looks like we have the option to talk to AI. We can select, we can draw, we can insert, we can pan, we can generate an image, and we can enter in preview mode. We'll probably do that here in a moment, but we'll just continue to let this working. Okay, so that has finished working, and here down at the bottom we can add more details if we want. Here we can see what has been created already. Let's go ahead and take a look at the preview. It doesn't look like that's doing anything. I think that's all that's doing is that's keeping us from being able to click on anything. Let's try here. Okay, there we go. So we have some daily workout suggestions. So this is pretty cool. So it's giving us some push-ups, some squats, plank. Now our visuals here are not really what we're looking for. So I think that's something that we can dial in a bit more. And let's see here. Okay, there we go. Take a look here at our different panels. Got a progress tracker. We've got a workout calendar. Let's take a look here at a couple of the options here. PRD. Design, code. Okay, so we could see our code there. And I'd like to see exactly how this comes across, but let's see here. Preview in tab. Okay, here we go. So this is pretty simple, but this will give you an idea of what Tempolabs is all about. So this gives you some basic tools that you can use to create your web apps, but it is going to require some time here to really dial things in. So like as you can see here, right, we're not really getting what we want as far as the images go. Let's go ahead and let's see here. What does this do? Change size. What I want to do is I want to see about changing the visuals here. Now it says generate image, but it's not allowing me to specify exactly which one here that I want to change. There we go. Workout card, generate image. Let's say woman doing squats, and let's see how that works there. You can see the progress indicator here. And hopefully this does what I'm wanting it to do, which is to change that specific image there. Okay. So it doesn't seem like it has done that, but you know, this is the kind of thing that you're going to really want to spend some time with this to dial everything in. But as you can see, at the very least, we've gotten started with our app. And once we're ready to go with that, here, let's try view app in new tab. Let's see here. Okay. So this is just gonna give us a better view here. Let's go ahead and click on share. So we could deploy our project via Vercel, or we can use the Tempo beta. We can invite collaborators as well. And so when we're ready, we can hit deploy on that, but we're not going to do that because this is just to kind of give you an idea of how Tempo works and how you can get started with it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you are interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. You'll find a referral link there in the link tree, and if you get started with Simply Financial, you'll get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a win-win situation. It's a fantastic bank. Simply Financial. Highly recommended.